Aisha, how are you?
I am not good, Saniha.
But why?
I have been suffering from fever for 1 week. I have also cough and sneezing.
Oh, you can take some natural remedies like tulsi leaf juice of 1 spoon of honey.
Honey is my favorite, Saniha.
I also like too.
Okay.
You wear mask, tissue or cloth. Cover your face and avoid touch your eyes, nose and face.
Okay, Saniha.
You take a lot of lemon juice because lemon juice is contain vitamin C and vitamin C contain our body resistant.
Yes.
You can take a lot of drink water and you take a light physical exercise and you clean your household and
Okay.
you use your own plate, glass, etc.
Thank you, Saniha.
And you also avoid the social gathering like parties, cinema hall, etc. Finally, you know it's a dangerous COVID time.
Yes.
You follow this advice and see your doctor soon.
Okay. Thank you, Saniha. Thanks for your nice advice. I will follow your advice properly.
Okay, you're welcome.
Bye bye, Saniha.
Bye.